Alright, well, I've been hand sanding it, and it's coming out pretty good. I kind of like how the color is, where some of the original stain or whatever is in the lower areas. And I noticed as I was sanding, there's some finish nails driven into the top of this board, here, here, and here. So there must have been a crack in this piece that he nailed it together to keep it from separating, and that's right where I added that nail at the top. So if that piece is cracked, that was a good place for me to end up putting that extra nail. Alright, well, we'll see how this stain turns out. I wanted something light because I kind of like the color change on it, so I did not want to use a heavy dark stain because I want to leave the color variations to shine through. I hope the stain soaks in and does what it needs to do okay in the cold temperatures, because it's pretty chilly out here. Okay, let's see how it turns out. Okay, so it's been stained and sanded, and it's ready for some polyurethane. It's too cold in the shop. It is. We've had single digits all day, and so I'm set up here in the basement train room, hobby room, whatever you want to call it, and so hopefully the lighting is sufficient. I've tried a couple different things. We'll see. Also, I'm using, taking a cue from Scoutcrafter, and I'm reusing some cat food bags. He has showed reusing bird seed bags for mess-free job stuff, and so I'm going to try that here. We generate one of these bags every week, so I have tons of them, so I might as well use them. Alright, let's see how the urethane goes on. Let's start like this. Well, looks pretty nice. I don't know if it'll end up staying looking quite so shiny, but I like it. Moving right along. Extra credit for any of you who recognize that tune and what that's from. Alright, do the other side. I guess I will do the bottom on the inside. I wasn't sure if I would, but why not? I don't think it can hurt, but I could be wrong. that's that. It's first coat. I'm not sure if I'll do more than one. I might sand it down, do a second coat, or that might just be it, since you know, it is just a tool caddy. And as cool as it is, with its age and everything, I don't like to just have things that I would be afraid to use or would not want to use. So that just might be all she wrote for the stain and the urethane. And next step is the handle. I have some ideas about that. I originally intended to just put a rope on it like before, the way I believe it was originally. But I'm thinking I would rather have a rigid handle, but I don't want to modify the box or the sides in any way. So I have an idea about how to go about that, and we'll see if it pans out. And if not, I can always still put a rope in it through the holes as the backup option. So we shall see. One more video, I think we'll finish it off. Thanks for watching. Bye.